Hey, what's going on, guys? What's poppin'? So today I want to talk to you guys about my favorite resume template and why this is my favorite resume template. So I'm in love with this, for the main reason it gets straight to the point, guys. It gets straight to the point. It's quick. It's only one page. You know, you're not boring the HR recruiter or the hiring manager. And if anyone is interested in this template, because this can be used for other industries as well, it's very neat. It's very clean. And someone can, skim over your resume and they have a great idea of the positions you've had, the skills you have, where you went to school, and your professional focus, and that can get you put inside the callback pile, which is the entire point, of them sorting through your resume and you applying to the job, because you get the callback. Callbacks lead to interviews. Interviews leads to you getting hired. And never make a resume extremely lengthy. And this is a template, guys. Like, I know you see where it says, like, up at the top, it says help desk technician. You may be a system admin. You may be in cybersecurity. You may be, a network engineer. Make it cater towards you. Even the description underneath, that's above, like where it says help desk systems, where it says problem diagnosis, like right underneath the first paragraph. You can take those skills out and make it catered and more geared to you, your skills, your profession. And me, in my opinion, not only would I make it geared towards your profession or your professional focus, make it geared towards the position that you're applying for. That is very important, because this also increases the chances of you getting put in the callback pile, because they're hiring for a position. They posted it on the job board. They listed the qualifications. Your resume clearly shows those qualifications and how it could be applicable not only to the company, but towards that position that they're hiring for. This is just human instinct. This is what they're looking for here, guys. Gotta get the people what they want. Under where it says technological proficiencies, this is still good for any other industry. So, let's say you're in engineering, you're in accounting, you can put financial proficiencies or whatever the terminology is, and then put proficiencies. And then, so where it says ticketing software, browsers, networking, and platforms, you can keep these. You can keep these. This is the portion I would keep, but it's everything after I would switch up. Like, for example, your company or your previous companies you've worked for might not have Active Directory or Microsoft Office. Like, what happens if you only work on Macs at your company? You're not going to have Office 365. So cater it specifically towards to you. I would not put Zoom underneath anywhere on my resume, because everyone knows how to use Zoom. Like, don't put pointless stuff on here. Like, just don't do it. But yeah, so browsers, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. I wouldn't even include the browsers, guys, if you're in a tech field. It's good that you know how to use it, but it's kind of pointless for you to tell someone that in the IT industry. Like, God, I hope you know how to, use all these browsers. Like, for the love of God, that's what you're here for. Like, you should be able to do that like you breathe oxygen. That's the only thing I would take out. So I take that back. Take browsers out under no circumstances. I don't care if this job is like not tech related. Never put, what browsers you know how to use. And once again, guys, it's the structure. It's the structure of this resume is what I love. I swapped everything out and made it completely catered towards me. I'm just going over this just so you guys can see, like, the way my brain works. And then so you get to the experience as well, like the work experience, which is great. System admin experience, I did take this out because I didn't think it was needed. I swapped this out for something different. I can't remember what I swapped it out as. I think I just made a more, like, a bigger portion of my work experience. I'm pretty sure this is what I took out. And once again, guys, this is the cool part about a template. Structure's the same. And then you just put your work experience, man. And then at the very bottom, you just put your education and your credentials, any certificates, any degrees, where you went to high school, things of that nature, and just make it short, sweet, and to the point, guys. Some people may not like this structure. If you have any other thoughts or suggestions on what a good resume structure looks like, please let me know. And once again, the only reason I would take out the system admin experience portion of it, like right across here, like right here, the only reason I don't like this is because, like, you you are already displaying, you know, that you have a interest or a focus inside of this field up at the top. So all of this information that is underneath system admin experience can be put and included in this first paragraph right here. I think this just turned into a whole bunch of word salad up at the top, which I did not include any of this at all inside my resume. I didn't like it, so I took it out. You can too. If you like the system administration experience right here, you can keep it. Have at it. You know, that's what it's all about. This is just my suggestions on what I did, on what I would do, and why. I think that the system admin experience portion of this is just a whole bunch of word salad and can be included up top. Let me know what you guys think. This is my one of my favorite resume templates. I use this personally. It's just short, sweet, to the point, cut and dry. I don't like boring, you know, these hiring managers, especially the market that we're in right now. We have a lot of people that are entering, the job portal. We got a lot of people, I said like a job portal, like he's switching colleges, but, you know, there's a lot of people trying to get jobs and a lot of people applying. When people, due to all the layoffs, you know, for a position that normally gets 200 or 300 applications, now have like 5 or 6. So, you know, I just try to find my way I could stick out. I don't like doing any fancy print or any fancy backgrounds or, you know, no fancy, writing styles or anything of that nature. I just try to keep it, you know, just neat, cut, dry, and just to the point, man. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good day. I'm out.